So once you're in your video, you're going to want to go to the Media tab, which is up there right next to the star. And if you've already dragged all of the photos that you want down to the storyboard down here, and you're ready to do your voiceover, it's going to be this little microphone. So you want to have this blue thing right here kind of to the part you're ready to talk over. I find it easier to talk over the whole thing and not do each image, but that's up to you. And you're just going to push this little microphone. It's going to open the microphone. One thing that I find helpful is it's going to ask you, do you want to preview the video while you're recording it? And you're going to want to say yes, because that way you can watch the video up here in this corner, so you know what you're supposed to be saying. And then it's going to say 3, 2, 1, and then it's going to ask you to record. When you're done, you push the stop, the check, and then you can see down below and you can listen to your recording.